Good day everyone, and welcome to where we are putting together solutions in those math or science areas that we are getting problems with. This video deals with how to pass CXC, whether it is at the CSEC Form 4, Form 5 level or the CAPE Form 6 levels. Feel free to like the video and add any comments down below so we can make more videos to help you in whichever areas that you are getting problems with. So who am I? This is me, and how can I help? Well, I've been correcting Common Entrance, SEA, CSEC Form 5 exams, and CAPE exams for the last 20 years. And we've recognized a major problem in CSEC Mathematics. This has been the lowest performing subject area for the last 3 or 4 years. So much so, if we look at the results in 2018, 49% of the students who wrote passed the exam, less than half. And by the following year, in 2019, it decreased to 46%. And that downward trend only stopped with the pandemic in 2020, where CSEC cancelled the long paper 2. So the kids only had to hand up their SBA and write a multiple choice exam. So back to the normal routine in 2021, and the marks dropped even lower. It dropped to 41%. And this is so much lower than the rest of subject areas. And if we compare this numeracy level to the literacy level, the level at which students read in the Caribbean, in 2021, 74%, almost 3/4 of the students passed English language. So there's such a vast problem in the mathematics. So that's why we decided to create these series of videos this year to help students. As we focus on helping students in CSEC Mathematics in order to reach a passing grade of 1, 2, or 3, we recognize that there are 4 areas that really affect students most of all. 1, the students themselves in terms of the amount of effort they're going to put into the situation, into the subject. 2, the teacher's delivery or their limitations in terms of being online or blended. 3, notes, which are available in textbooks, online. Remember, there's not a single thing we are teaching in CSEC Math that there aren't many videos as explained on YouTube and other formats for students. And 4, past paper solutions. So when we look at the format of the CSEC exam, we can see from math that there's paper 1, multiple choice, is worth 30%. Paper 2, the structured paper or the long paper, is worth 50%. And the third paper, whether it is you're writing in school, which is an SBA, or you're writing externally as an alternative paper, that is worth 20%. So we've decided to focus on the part which is worth the most amount of marks, on doing past paper solutions for all the topics this year, which will give the student 50% worth of their marks. How are we helping you in CSEC Mathematics? Well, let's look at the topics. There are 10 topics, of which only sets does not come in paper 2. So in the other 9 areas, we'll be creating playlists of videos showing the solutions for the questions from May 2009, May 2010, May 2011, up to the present time. And we can see in some areas there's only one yellow circle, such as number theory, consumer arithmetic, statistics. And what that tells us is that there's one list of videos or one playlist covering number theory, a separate one covering consumer arithmetic, another one statistics, and so on. But if we look at measurements and algebra, even vectors and matrices, there are 2 separate lists because we've subdivided the topic into 2 parts. So vectors and matrices One playlist of videos will be only on past paper questions of vectors and the other on matrices. How are we posting these videos and these playlists? When speaking to our students, they wanted videos that were not too long. So what we ended up doing was, for each topic, instead of posting all 12 years, we cut it up into parts. So the first video for most of the topics will be for the first 5 years, from May 2009 until 13. And then a second video was posted in that area from 2014 to 18. And then finally, a third video, which would be from 2019 until present. And what we're doing for this year, our intention is for every 2 weeks, we'll be posting a new topic. So that should help us to give us some time to go through one topic at a time, revise the topic, look at the past paper question, stop the video, try to do the question yourself, and when you finish, put the video on and see how the explanation was, and check whether you were right or wrong. Spending about 2 weeks on that topic will help us to concrete our information in our mind and be able to handle any of the questions asked in that area. And then we'll proceed to the second topic and the third topic. And that will go on until we cover all the topics in CSEC Math. So have fun passing CSEC Math and getting a better grade using our videos. Feel free to share the video to all your friends and put any comments down below so we can add anything else that you require to make this a successful year for you.